Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my Vlogmas day 17. Oh my god, it's been fun. I hope you guys have been enjoying my Vlogmas all along, and thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. And if today is the first time of joining me, you're very much welcome. This channel is all about faith, food, fashion, beauty and lifestyle. And if you want to see all these things, please kindly subscribe to my channel, click the like button as well as the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop new videos. Guys, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to cook coconut fried rice. It's combination of coconut milk and rice, and it can be cooked in different ways. You can cook coconut jollof rice, you can cook coconut concoction rice, and you can cook coconut fried rice. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get that perfect coconut rice that you can add to your dishes on Christmas Day. Always remember to check the description box. That's where I drop all the recipes for every meal I prepare on this channel. So guys, let's go right start cooking.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready?
So guys, you can just pour the mixed veggies now and stir well and serve with any protein of your choice. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, please do leave a comment and also give this video a big thumbs up. Always remember to share my videos and subscribe if you're yet to. Thank you guys, and until tomorrow when I bring another video. Bye.